Hello guys, this is Piano Green and I am doing Python tutorials. This is part 1 of the series and I'm going to show you how to do it, I guess. I'm trusting that you've already downloaded it because I'm not going to tell you how to do that today. But anyways, Python is a programming language like Java or JavaScript or things like that, C++. So it's a quite simple one. So that's what people like about this one. So I guess enough with the talking and let's just show you how to do it. So you want to start with a hello world. So I'm going to type it in so you can see it on the screen like this. Yep, there we go. Print hello world. So you need to be careful and get the syntax right. So you do print with no capital letters, start bracket, and then a quote mark, and then the hello world, which is over here, which is the text that you're going to be it'll show on the shell, and another quote mark and an end bracket. So that is the syntax. So print means like it's print it prints the words that are next to it inside the quote marks and the quote marks that are in the brackets. So if I run that yes, I'm running it. Oh yes, you have to save it by doing Control S. So you do Control S, and then there's a shell. And if you look on your shell, it will say hello world. So I don't think you can see it, but you can't see mine, but you can probably see it on yours. So now you've done your hello world, you can start doing some variables. So variables are a number or a word that can change. So variable means something that changes. So if you want to do a variable, I'm going to type it in. So yeah, just bear with me. So here is the syntax for doing variables, and so I did the variable call has is equivalent to piano green. So piano green is what call is, if that makes any sense. Well, so if you do print and cool, cool like that. So print cool. This won't actually print the words cool, it will actually print piano green because cool has piano green inside it, if that makes any sense. So if that doesn't make sense to you, then I'm afraid I can't do anything else to explain that, but yeah. So on the shell it will show piano green. Yeah, so that will show on the shell. So I will run it, and yep, wait a second. Yep, and in my shell it says piano green. So now you could do something cool now. cool. Anyway, so you can do name equals, and then you can just do your name like that, and then you can do print and then wait, I'm just typing it down. So this means basically that the variable name equals your name. I forgot to put a quote mark at the end. And so name equals Piano Green. So in the shell, it will say I am Piano Green, because where it says print, then it's got brackets, then quote marks, like I said, for the syntax, and then it says I am, and then add, then name. So I haven't told you what add means. It just adds two variables or some words in quote marks, obviously, and then you can join it with a variable or some more words. So I did here I am, and then I left a space here, as you can notice, because if I didn't put a space, it will show I am Piano Green like that in the shell. So we don't want that in the shell, because that doesn't make any sense, because am Piano Green isn't a word as far as I know. So you have to do a space, then in the shell it will show that. So I will run it on my shell so I can see it. Oh yes, I have to delete this too. Okay, now I'll run it in the shell. So wait a second. Yep. So in my shell it says I am Piano Green. So I guess that's it for today. I hope you learned something, and then I'll make more videos on this series. If you can see it on the screen, then you know that there is more videos in the series. And I guess that's it. So bye. Please subscribe, because if you're watching to this far, then you probably have enjoyed this video, haven't you? I don't understand why people are so scared of hitting the subscribe button, because the way it works is you subscribe, I get encouraged by the people who are watching, and then I make better videos. It's as simple as that. So if you want better videos, then subscribe. So that's the only way I can put it. Anyway, that's it for today. Better not keep you waiting any longer, and goodbye.